All right, so you heard from the Jamhattans before the break, and I've been invited to be a part of the group. They weren't too impressed with Delia, but they liked the way I sound. Just kidding. But now it's time to meet the three gentlemen keeping the 1962 formed group alive. Gerald Austin is from the original group. He's over there. David Harvey is in the white, and Troy May is there. Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Usually we say welcome to Jamaica, but I have to say welcome back to Jamaica. Let me start with you, Mr. Alston.
Yes.
You've been here, you told me before we came on, probably more than 30 times.
Yes. First time that I performed with the Manhattans here was 1973, There's No Me Without You, and we played the arena here.
But the group probably came before that.
Yes, they probably,
You joined,
I think once or twice
you joined
before.
about then.
Yeah.
And you also left and you're back.
Yeah.
You guys still perform regularly?
Yes.
And do you tweak your performance depending on where you go? Like, do you do a different set for Jamaica than you do for some, maybe in Dallas or somewhere?
You know, our fans here in Jamaica, they want to hear our songs. Mm-hmm. And we're going to break on maybe opening with a new song by somebody else. But after then, we have to go all Manhattans.
That's it.
All Manhattans. And which is good, you know. The fan base here is different than most places we play because our music is really appreciated in the way that they want to hear what we sing. And also, a lot of the songs that were hits in the States, we'll sing, but there are songs here that we sing here that from our album. Our fans just love all of our music here.
Beautiful.
And it's really highly appreciated.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Looking forward to the performance?
Oh, absolutely. Every time we come, I'm
Yeah.
definitely looking forward to the show, the crowd, just to see the crowd.
Yeah.
That's always a treat.
Yeah, we sing along while you're singing.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
That's right.
Jamhattans.
The Manhattans, the performance is always so complete. It's not just about great lyrics and great music. It's the movement. It's the way you engage the crowd. David, are we going to be seeing them nice, slick Manhattan move?
That's all part of the group, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the song, the dance, the style of dress, get the crowd, the smile of the crowd, and we know we're doing our job.
Yeah. The name came from, because you came from Manhattan? Or
Well, it originally started out as the drink.
As the
drink.
The drink.
Yeah. And then we realized that wasn't a good metaphor, so we decided to use Manhattan with the skyline because we want to. We always talk about and insist about not drinking and doing drugs,
Right.
and that wasn't a good metaphor for us, so
Yeah.
we changed it.
Gerald, because we've seen groups come up over the decades. They've been popular, but they've not been sustainable. And the Manhattans, you guys keep touring. Fans still love the music. What makes it so great for so long?
It's the love of our music, the love of our fans, and the love that we have for doing it. Mm-hmm. You know, it's a blessing and it's an honor to be able to go out and sing and bring joy and happiness to people. You know, we sing songs about life, breaking up, coming back together, making love, and we have a chance to touch everybody because through all of our songs, somebody has been touched somewhere from that one of our songs at least. Mm-hmm. You know, and
We never danced to a love song.
We can, though.
It made back up.
Yeah.
But keep
back
in mind,
together.
he said songs. And I think that's a lot of the reason why a lot of groups don't last a long time because they're singing tunes. There's a difference between a song and a tune. A
Explain
song is
that.
going to last forever.
Explain that.
A tune is just going to last as long as you feel like popping your finger.
Okay.
When that dies off, you off to the next tune. But a song is going to touch you forever. You can hear the same song 20 years from now. It'll feel like it was just the same day you just heard it.
Mr. Alston said earlier that he might start with a new song, which would suggest you guys are still making music.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, we have a new song out that's been released. We started out on the social media, and we're going for radio. We just started for radio this week. It's called Get It Ready.
Yeah.
And it's a mid-tempo song, but it's a little different for the Manhattans in one sense, but it has the part that maintains the Manhattans that's still the Manhattans is that the song tells a story.
Yeah. Sir David,
Yes.
what's your role in all of this? Are you the bass? Are you the high like me? Are you...
I'm like you.
If you're like him, you're lip syncing.
Well, I've done that too. No, I'm the tenor, the falsetto on the top.
Yeah.
What?
So I guess you would lead one, you would lead one, you would lead one. Is that how it works?
Altogether, it's a harmony.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I can have a song that I can lead. Troy, Joe, you know.
Is that difficult to harmonize? I mean, you've been doing it for a while, so I suspect it's
No,
it
once
probably...
you know, it's you get used to each other. You start learning each other,
Yeah.
and you start knowing where each other is going to go.
Yeah.
You know, and you begin to
You can
just
feel,
blend. It just come
You
together.
can feel right where it needs to go. And
Yeah. What about the music now, outside of the Manhattans? What's going on there in the United States, in the world? What about the music now? Has things changed a lot since
Has
when
technology
you started?
changed?
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's primarily it. Technology's changed. There's a lot of great artists out there, but again, a lot of people are focused on the tunes. It's more so the dance tunes and so forth. You very seldom really hear some good ballads, some really good songs that you know are going to, 20 years from now, that song is still going to be heard on the air.
Exactly.
So I don't see much of that, but not to, downplay the great music that's out there now.
Yeah.
And I think music today is about instant gratification.
Does that mean you're not too impressed with what's going on today?
Oh,
I don't listen to radio like I used to.
neither do I.
I grew up in old school.
So does that answer my question, that you're not too impressed
Well,
with?
it's not to say that I don't like the music today. Some music today I can listen
Yeah.
to, but some
It just doesn't resonate as
Right.
much as
Exactly.
it did
It's,
when you-
Exactly.
and it's not that I don't like it, but it's just that I know where I came from. I know what I like to hear. And I know what I like to sing. And today, music is about tunes, like Troy say.
Yeah.
There are some good songs, and we got some great artists.
Right.
You know, but I think they're more or less today. The artists are more into it for the instant
What's now and
gratification
what's-
and what's
yeah.
now.
Immediacy.
Where we were into it, and I don't knock them. You know,
Right.
if you can do it, all well and good, great.
Right.
But I like the idea of being around 57 years.
That's amazing. That's
And we've
amazing.
been, the group has been in existence.
By the way,
just that
this
long.
Grammy Award.
The group's been around 27 years before I was born.
And 27 years before I was born.
and if you believe that, I got a
David just turned that light.
All right, so again, they're here because they will perform at Perry's Pure White birthday and pre-Mother's Day party, which is tomorrow night. But today is Perry's birthday, so I hope you're watching, sir, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. And I pray that you live to see so many, many more. And it will be in Spanish Town, I think, that you guys will be performing.
Yes.
I think that's the first time you'll be performing in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
All right, so outstanding to meet everyone. Really, really
Likewise.
fantastic. I hope you have a great time on stage. I'm certain the folks listening will have a great time, but I hope you will enjoy.
Yes.
Great to
Thank
meet
you.
you.
Great to meet you
The
guys.
Manhattans, Joel Austin, David Harvey, and Troy May. I've always said I think I have maybe the greatest job in the world, and this is one of the reasons you get to meet outstanding people. And
And spoil the music.
I didn't spoil the song. You were the singer. I was the backup singer, and I shall be the backup singer in Spanish Town. Going to take a break. Stay with us, please. Soon come.